Let's be honest, owning a truck gun isn't just about appearances. It's about being ready for whatever comes your way. Life is unpredictable, and when you're on the move, having the right firearm close at hand can make all the difference. Whether it's for personal defense, assisting someone in distress, or handling an unforeseen danger, a dependable truck gun provides invaluable peace of mind. But not all truck guns are built the same. Let's break down some of the top contenders and what makes them stand out. Number 10. Zastava Pap pistol. If you're looking for serious firepower in a compact package, the Zastava Pap pistol in 7.6 2x39 is a stellar option. Built on the iconic A platform, it delivers the rugged dependability and raw stopping power you'd expect, but in a more manageable size, perfect for keeping in a vehicle. The 7.6 2x39 round is known for its hard-hitting performance, making this pistol an excellent defensive choice with solid mid-range capabilities. Durability is where the Pap pistol really shines. Zastava is renowned for producing battle-proven firearms, and this model is no exception. It's designed to take a beating and keep running with minimal maintenance, exactly what you need in a truck gun that has to be ready at all times. Its no-nonsense action ensures smooth, reliable cycling, even under tough conditions. Shooting the Zastava Pap pistol is a controlled, powerful experience, with a sturdy grip and simple, yet effective iron sights. Plus, its customization potential is a big advantage, allowing you to mount optics, grips, or other accessories to fine-tune your setup. If you're after an AIK-style truck gun that combines power, resilience, and ease of handling in a compact form, this one is hard to top. Number 9. Benelli M4 shotgun. When it comes to shotguns with a legendary reputation, few can match the Benelli M4. This semi-automatic beast has seen extensive use in military and law enforcement circles, and for good reason. Built for extreme reliability and performance, it's chambered in 12-gauge, making it an exceptional truck gun when you need high stopping power with rapid follow-up shots. One of the M4's biggest advantages is its gas-operated system. Unlike inertia-driven shotguns, this mechanism ensures consistent, smooth cycling with reduced recoil. That translates to faster, more controlled shooting, exactly what you need in a high-stakes scenario. Whether you're running buckshot, slugs, or specialty loads, the M4 handles them all effortlessly. Despite its solid build, the Benelli M4 is remarkably well-balanced. It's not the lightest shotgun available, but its weight distribution makes it surprisingly easy to maneuver. The second you shoulder it, you can feel the precision engineering at work. If you're in the market for a semi-auto shotgun that delivers speed, power, and legendary reliability, the Benelli M4 is a top-tier choice for any truck gun setup. Number 8. FNPS 90. Next up, we have the FNPS 90, a truck gun in a class of its own. This futuristic bullpup carbine, chambered in 5.7 28mm, is designed for those who prioritize high capacity, low recoil, and compact maneuverability. Thanks to its unique top-loading magazine, it holds an impressive 50 rounds, meaning you won't have to reload often in a high-stress situation. What sets the PS90 apart for vehicle use is its innovative bullpup layout. By positioning the action behind the trigger, it maintains a full-length barrel for enhanced accuracy while keeping the overall size compact. This makes it exceptionally easy to handle in confined spaces, such as inside a truck, while still delivering rifle-level performance. Shooting the PS90 is unlike using a standard carbine. The 5.7 x 28mm round travels at high velocity with barely any recoil, allowing for fast and precise follow-up shots. Additionally, the fully ambidextrous controls make it an excellent option for both left and right-handed shooters. If you need a truck gun that balances capacity, accuracy, and ease of use, the FN PS90 is an outstanding choice designed for serious performance. Number 7. Glock 19. When it comes to dependable truck guns, few match the reputation of the Glock 19, especially when paired with a surefire 300 Light. This compact yet legendary handgun is known for its rugged durability and consistent performance, making it a top-tier choice for self-defense. Adding the X300 enhances its utility, offering a powerful, focused beam for low-light situations. An integrated weapon light is a game-changer. Instead of fumbling for a separate flashlight when time is critical, the X300 provides instant illumination, helping you maintain situational awareness in dark or unfamiliar environments. Its placement allows seamless activation without having to adjust your grip, ensuring a natural shooting stance at all times. The Glock 19 is well-balanced and comfortable to shoot, with a simple, intuitive design that guarantees reliability under pressure. Pairing it with the 300 creates a versatile defensive setup that's always ready for action, making it a must-have addition to any truck gun setup. Number 6. Sig Rattler 300 Blackout. For those who want maximum firepower in a compact package, the Sig Rattler in 300 Blackout is a powerhouse. Built on an ultra-compact AR-style platform, the Rattler delivers rifle-level performance while remaining easy to store and deploy in tight spaces. Its short overall length makes it ideal for close-quarters defense, while the 300 Blackout chambering provides the versatility to engage at longer distances when needed. One of the Rattler's key strengths is its ability to run both subsonic and supersonic ammo. Using subsonic rounds with a suppressor keeps shots quiet and discreet, perfect for close-range situations, while switching to supersonic rounds boosts power and range when necessary. This adaptability makes the Rattler an incredibly versatile tool for a variety of scenarios, whether you're responding to an immediate threat or need extended reach. Handling is smooth and intuitive, with lightweight construction and easy-to-use controls that make quick deployment effortless. The folding stock is another standout feature, allowing for convenient storage without sacrificing stability when it's time to engage. If you're after a truck gun that blends compactness, power, and versatility, the Sig Rattler is an exceptional option. Number 5. FN SCAR 15. Kicking off the top 5, the FN SCAR 15 takes the battle-proven SCAR platform and condenses it into a compact, high-performance 5.56 pistol. FN is known for building military-grade firearms, and the SCAR 15P is no exception. It delivers the same level of durability and dependability in a more portable format. This makes it an outstanding truck gun, offering rifle-caliber firepower without the bulk of a full-sized rifle. One of the biggest strengths of the SCAR 15 is its robust build. FN didn't compromise on quality. This firearm is rock solid and built to withstand harsh environments while maintaining flawless function. Chambered in 5.56, it provides excellent stopping power, and its shorter barrel enhances maneuverability, making it ideal for use in a vehicle. Despite its compact dimensions, it remains impressively stable and accurate, with smooth operation and low recoil for rapid follow-up shots. Versatility is another highlight. The compact design allows for easy storage, yet it's always ready to perform under pressure. Fully ambidextrous controls ensure accessibility for all shooters, and the well-balanced design makes it comfortable to fire. Whether you need a go-to defensive tool or just want a reliable, hard-hitting firearm for range days, the SCAR 15 delivers precision, power, and FN's legendary toughness in a truck-friendly package. Number 4. Flux Raider Sig P320 platform. Next on the list is the Flux Raider, a game-changing system built around the Sig P320 platform. This hybrid design merges the portability of a handgun with the stability of a carbine, making it a compelling choice for a truck gun. It retains the Sig P320 platform trusted reliability but enhances it with a more controlled, ergonomic setup that's easy to store and quick to deploy when needed. What sets the Flux Raider apart is its intelligent design. The integrated folding brace adds a major stability boost without making the platform unwieldy, ensuring greater accuracy and control for rapid follow-up shots. One of its standout features is the built-in magazine holder on the brace, allowing for lightning-fast reloads in a pinch. Another big advantage is its modularity. The Flux Raider is compatible with different P320 slides, meaning you can swap calibers or configurations to fit your needs. This flexibility makes it one of the most adaptable options available. Shooting the Flux Raider is a smooth experience. The brace helps control recoil, keeping shots on target even during rapid fire. Its compact form factor makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, a key benefit for vehicle storage. With intuitive controls and a sturdy build, the Flux Raider strikes the perfect balance between compact carry and carbine-like control, making it a dependable and unique choice for high-pressure scenarios. Number 3. Short Barrel 300 Blackout AR. For those looking for serious firepower in a compact package, the Short Barrel 300 Blackout AR is a standout option. This setup is highly effective due to its ability to fire both supersonic and subsonic rounds, giving it exceptional versatility at close to mid-range distances. It's an excellent choice for quick deployment from a vehicle, striking the perfect balance between size, power, and adaptability. The biggest appeal of the 300 Blackout is its dual-role capability. When suppressed with subsonic ammunition, it delivers quiet, controlled firepower that's ideal for close-quarters engagements. Switch to supersonic rounds, and you gain increased velocity and stopping power for extended range applications. This adaptability makes it feel like two guns in one streamlined setup. Its short barrel improves maneuverability in confined spaces, making it easy to handle in and around a vehicle. Plus, the AR platform provides endless customization options. You can outfit it with a red dot sight for rapid target acquisition, a weapon light for low-light situations, or a laser for enhanced accuracy, all tailored to your specific needs. For those who need a truck gun that's compact yet capable of tackling a variety of situations, the Short Barrel 300 Blackout AR is an excellent pick. With its powerful chambering, modularity, and ease of handling, it remains one of the most versatile truck guns available today. Number 2. Remington 870. Securing the runner-up spot is the legendary Remington 870, a shotgun that has cemented its place as one of the most trusted firearms in history. Chambered in 12-gauge, this pump-action workhorse is known for its simplicity, durability, and sheer stopping power. If you need a truck gun that's built to function flawlessly in any situation, the 870 is a tried-and-true option. What makes the 870 stand out is its rugged design and no-nonsense reliability. It's a straightforward firearm, no unnecessary frills, just a pump-action system that cycles smoothly and consistently. A short barrel configuration enhances maneuverability, making it easier to store and deploy from a vehicle while still delivering the powerful impact you expect from a 12-gauge. Another strength of the 870 is its versatility. It can be loaded with buckshot, slugs, or even less lethal rounds, depending on the situation at hand. And let's be honest, there's something about the distinct sound of racking a round in an 870 that demands attention. Recoil is manageable, even with heavier loads, and the action feels solid and reliable every time. For those who want a no-fail shotgun that's easy to use, tough as nails, and ready for anything, the Remington 870 remains a top-tier choice for a truck gun. Number 1. HK SP5K. Taking the top spot is the HK SP5K, a firearm that blends elite craftsmanship with real-world effectiveness. Based on the legendary MP5, the HK SP5K is the civilian-friendly variant that retains all the precision, reliability, and ergonomic excellence of its military counterpart. Chambered in 9mm, it's compact enough for convenient storage but remains exceptionally capable in a defensive scenario. What truly sets the SP5K apart is Heckler & Koch's commitment to quality. The fit and finish are impeccable, the action is buttery smooth, the trigger is crisp, and the recoil is surprisingly light, allowing for fast, accurate follow-up shots. Its compact frame makes it ideal for confined spaces like inside a vehicle, while still maintaining the control and precision of a full-size firearm. The shooting experience with the SP5K is nothing short of premium. It cycles flawlessly, runs reliably across various 9mm loads, and remains smooth even under heavy use. The iconic MP5 roller delayed blowback system makes it feel softer shooting than most pistols in its class, allowing for extended shooting sessions without fatigue. Plus, its heritage as one of the most iconic submachine gun designs in history gives it a tactical edge that few other truck guns can match. If you're after a truck gun that offers battle-proven performance, top-tier engineering, and unmatched reliability, the HK SP5K is the ultimate choice. It's not just a practical firearm, it's an icon refined for modern use. At the end of the day, a truck gun is about more than just firepower, it's about peace of mind. Whether you're carrying for self-defense, protecting others, or just staying prepared for the unexpected, having the right firearm can make all the difference. From compact AR pistols to hard-hitting shotguns, there's no shortage of excellent choices to fit different needs and preferences. The key is finding the right balance between size, firepower, and reliability, something you feel confident using when it matters most. That wraps up our breakdown of the best truck guns available today. Hopefully, this list helped you narrow down the right option for your setup. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content like this. Got a favorite truck gun or a go-to setup? Drop it in the comments, we'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.